For number 7 is The Healer. The Healer is an American movie written and directed by Paco Arango. It was produced by Michael Volpe and Enrique Posner. It is about a young man who discovers suddenly to have the gift of healing. Trying to understand it and the new reality that it offers, a teenage girl with terminal cancer unexpectedly will show him the way. The initial release date of this film was on 17 February 2017, which was in Spain. It came on theaters on September 28, 2018 and came on disc or streamed on Netflix on the same date. Its genre is comedy, drama and family. Its running time is 113 minutes, that is 1 hour and 53 minutes. The language is English. The top voted tags for this movie are inspiring, heartwarming, touching, uplifting, emotional, spiritual, etc. Number 6 is The Help. The Help is a 2011 period drama film written and directed by Tate Taylor and based on Catherine Stockett's 2009 novel of the same name. The film and novel recount the story of a young white woman and aspiring journalist Eugenia Skeeter Phelan, who decides to write a book from the point of view of African American maids, exposing racism they are faced with as they work for white families. It was produced by Chris Columbus, Michael Bernathen and Brunson Green. It was released on August 10, 2011. Its running time is 146 minutes. Its budget is $25 million. The film was a critical and commercial success, receiving positive reviews and grossing $206.6 million in worldwide box office and also received great awards. Number 5 is Avatar: The Last Airbender. It is a beloved animated children's show. It is about the world which is divided into the Water Tribe, the Earth Kingdom, the Fire Nation and the Air Nomads, each represented by a natural element for which the nation is named, and the benders control and manipulate the element from their nation. Only the Avatar is the master of all 4 elements. The ruthless Fire Nation wants to conquer the world, but the only bender who has enough power, the Avatar, has disappeared until now. The creators are Michael Dante DiMarinto and Brian Konietzko, and it is written by Aaron Ehsas. The first episode date was on 21 Feb 2005 and the final episode date was on 19 July 2008. It has 3 seasons with 61 episodes. Its genre is action, adventure, fantasy and comedy drama. It received widespread critical acclaim and is listed as top 10 in Netflix series. Now for number 4 is Stranger Things, which is my most favorite web series. It is an American science fiction horror web TV series created by Duffer Brothers. Set in 1980s in the fictional town of Hawkins, Indiana, a group of young friends witness supernatural forces and secret government exploits when one of their friends goes missing. As they search for answers, the children unravel a series of extraordinary mysteries, including the appearance of a girl with psychokinetic abilities. Its first episode date was on 15 July 2016. It has received awards like Teen Actors Guild Award, MTV Movie Award and many more. It has 3 seasons and the 4th season will be releasing soon with 25 episodes. Its genre is science fiction, horror and period drama. Stranger Things gained a dedicated fan base soon after its release, and believe me, it's praiseworthy. Number 3 is Fuller House. Fuller House is an American sitcom created by Jeff Franklin that airs as a Netflix original series and is a sequel to the 1987 to 1995 television series Full House. Candace Cameron Bure, Jodie Sweetin and Andrea Barber are among the original Full House cast members who have returned to star in the spin-off Fuller House. DJ, now a widowed mother of 3 sons, finds herself back in her childhood home alongside her sister Stephanie, who is a distinct musician, and her lifelong friend Kimmy Gibbler. All living under one roof, the woman experiences moments big and small together, including budding romances, holidays, parenting, and life surprises. That's good. The first episode was released on 26 Feb 2016 and the last came in 2019. Its genre is sitcom. It has total 5 seasons with 75 episodes and has also received some great rewards. Now for number 2 is Jeffrey Epstein, Filthy Rich. It is originally a book by James Patterson and co-written by John Connolly and Tim Malloy. An American television miniseries directed by Lisa Biant. Jeffrey Epstein, Filthy Rich is a story of a convicted sex offender and how he used his power and money to commit great crimes. It was launched recently and has got enormously loving reception from the public. Sounds interesting. It was announced prior to Epstein's death and was in production 9 months prior to his arrest. It is a book-based series which was published on 10 October 2016. Its genre are biography and true crime. Filthy Rich was launched on 27th May 2020 and has become one of the best Netflix series. The series has only 1 season with 4 episodes, so I have quoted it earlier. Here comes number 1, which is Space Force and is the best series for comedy lovers. Space Force, created by Greg Daniels and Steve Carell, is an American comedy web TV series. It centers on a group of people provided with the task of establishing the 6th branch of the United States Armed Forces, the United States Space Force. It stars some great actors such as Carell, John Malkovich, Ben Schwartz, Deanna Silvers, and Tawny Newsome. A t-shirt trailer on this series was released on 5th May 2020. It was premiered on Netflix on May 29, 2020. It has 1 season with 10 episodes, each with a running time of 27 to 36 minutes. Its genre is comedy. The production company is Diddle D Production and 3 Arts Entertainment. A separate fan base was created after its release and had certainly made it the best Netflix series ever.